Hey family, I'm Stephanie Made. I'm Habasha, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa, as well as the Creole Griot test. Y'all, I'm just standing in front of the Debo house. Just a different view today. See, that's one side of the road there. And this is if you go this other direction, how I go to the grocery store. How y'all doing this morning? Me, I'm doing fine. I appreciate enough all you guys. This is your first time coming to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And if you're coming back, welcome back. I appreciate and love all of you guys. I just decided to have a different background for a minute, different sounds. If you have not subscribed, please do. I appreciate everything all of you do. Could be watching somebody else and instead you're watching me. Share this video with anybody who you think want to see how Africa look. Just regular old Africa, y'all. Not always glamour and glitz, but what I'm seeing right now, my reality in the Gambia. But anyway, y'all, I'm at Debo House, which is a guest house. And this is the front of it, y'all. So if you drive up to it, it would look like this on the outside. Oh, y'all, let me know where y'all watching me from, no matter where you are in the world. And I hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. Don't forget, happiness comes from within each of you. It's not a place, y'all. It's not a place. But anyway, I'm here doing my project at the Habasha Food Forest. And Habasha is helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. It's a 501c3 organization based in the USA, and we do projects in the motherland. Right now it's in the Gambia in Jambanjeli, y'all. We're doing a permaculture food forest from scratch, y'all. We have virgin land, and we're doing it little by little, slowly by slowly. If more people donate, we will go faster. And if they don't, we'll just keep on going. However, the Most High say so. But anyways, we saw a monkey this morning. I'll let y'all see it in a minute. Don't know where the monkey coming from. I figure it's these trees in the back of Debo House, because there's lots of trees there, so hopefully it's enough of stuff for the monkey to eat, because the monkey is healthy looking. And I wouldn't see people that's normally feeding the monkey every day like at the monkey park. But y'all, the monkey park is only half the monkey park it was when I first came here. But anyway, y'all, just living life from day to day. You enjoy simple things like the monkey dropping in at Debo House just to check on the bananas and see if it's right to pick. Monkeys do things like that, y'all. At the food forest, we planted extra bananas for them and monkey bread and all of that stuff. So it's all good, y'all. It's all good. One day, if y'all choose to come visit us when the food forest is open, hopefully they'll have plenty of monkeys for y'all to take photos of with your nice cameras, or just pull out your camera phones, either way. Won't be encouraging feeding them out of your hand and all of that. They wild animals, y'all. We gotta leave them enjoy their natural life. But to zoom in and take pictures of them living their life, yeah, y'all, that's priceless. Then let them, you'll see them in their natural habitat. Y'all all can see.
It's there, over there, it's upstairs. It's sitting on the other top upstairs.
Now, I ain't see the monkey. Y'all, we're in search of trying to find the monkey, supposedly sitting somewhere. I ain't see the monkey at all, y'all. Y'all, I don't not see the monkey. Are y'all still seeing the monkey? No. I ain't see no monkey.
It's sitting over there. Up there. Come this side. You see?
Oh,
Going
nah,
up.
it's up high. This is like a Where's Waldo kind of
Going
thing.
upstairs.
Yeah, all the way to the top, y'all. I don't think we gonna see this monkey today, because he done went all the way to the top at Dabo House.
Sitting there, but now it's gone.
Yeah, it's all the way to the top,
Yeah,
y'all.
upstairs.
Y'all will just have to take my word for it till he decides to come down. Oh well. He did come visit us. He's coming down the stairs, y'all. Look, y'all. There's the monkey coming down the stairs. Yeah, I saw him. Y'all, I think he gone. In the blink of an eye, the monkey was gone. Y'all got to just see the monkey tail. That is it. How did the monkey go, y'all? I don't know. Yeah, he jumped over. That's there in the lizard formation. I be trying to show you her stuff, but sometimes it's hard to get the right angle. It's actually two lizards that I saw. That was one, and that's the other one. Yeah, there's the second one, y'all. And then the other one is working over here. They like blend in with the dirt so much. Sometimes I'm looking right at it, and it's hard for y'all to see it because of the natural camouflage, but you can see how it's moving. And there's the other one, y'all. I love nature. I just love it. I don't understand people who are afraid of lizards. That is too cool, y'all, for me.
Yes, if you want, please. Let me take this side. Yeah, take it back. I put it in. Yes. Thank you.
Y'all, that was a treat, whether y'all know that or not. It's very hard to get the birds around here. Usually when they see you anywhere by them, they just fly away. So today I was so quiet when I saw them. I just came on over here and started recording, and they actually let me record them. I'm so excited I was able to share that with y'all. That was our treat for today, y'all. That was our treat for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the monkey. And so until next time, y'all, peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.